Right, so this is actually our fourth storm, Harvey, and it's putting us into the record books.
That's right. We've defeated Boothbay Harbor 4-3. So let that be official, that everybody knows that. And, you know, not only 4, but 2 of them were right around 2 feet. One of them was 16 inches, and we don't have the final total yet on this, but we know it's over a foot again. Some late snowfall reports for you. Over a foot now in Fairhaven, as well as Norwood, as you look at a little bit of an angry sea in the split screen. North Reading at a foot, Lynn over a foot, and Newton almost a foot. This is an update. Freetown, southeastern Massachusetts, which had a good 7 inches or so last night, really getting clocked now in the last couple of hours, up to 16.4. Natick's around 15. Lunenburg just about a foot, as is Pepperell. Auburn's amount is slightly less. Framingham up over 15 and Rockport over 14. Ipswich 20, Amesbury 20, Newburyport 16 inches of snow. Stoneham closing in on a foot. Logan, that was at 7 a.m., so they're right around a foot now. West Harwich trying to play catch up at 7.3. Concord's over a foot, and Wilmington is over a foot as well. Here's the visibility. That tells the story. The bright white, that's where the snow has been and is the heaviest. The visibility is a half a mile in Orange and Worcester, quarter of a mile Boston, Plymouth, Providence, Hyannis, and Nantucket. Even down in New London, Connecticut, and a half a mile on Block Island. Here's the large area of snow. Now, the very heaviest snow is near the coast and over southeastern Mass and the Cape. And when I show you this loop, now we see motion of the very heavy bands. They are moving from north to south, with the super heavy band just south of Boston, another one on the western and central part of the Cape, showing you a few of the areas being affected by that. This has been around Brockton and Scituate, and now it extends all the way down. Wareham, Marion, New Bedford have all had very, very heavy snow, as has Fairhaven. And Falmouth and the Vineyard are snowing heavily at this time as well. So as we go out in time, that trend to the south continues. Also, it pushes to the east. So at first, we were seeing it a few hours ago coming in this way. Now we're seeing it this way, and then we'll start to see it this way. That's the progression. But I want to keep in mind that the wind is continuing to pick up. So even as the snow gets somewhat lighter, you may not think it is. Why? Because now there's all the blowing and drifting going around, as well as the falling snow. That's the progression we're dealing with. Over a foot pretty much from about 495 east, with pockets over a foot and a half, especially up on the North Shore and some areas elsewhere as well. Cold temperatures now. Gusty winds. Notice the gusts are picking up. 37 Marshfield, 38 Providence, 35 Worcester. They will continue to ramp up through the afternoon. Check this out. See how strong the winds are going to get. Gusts over 50 miles per hour. That's really powerful when you consider that we have all this snow that has now fallen, plus all that's on the ground. The wind chills are already below 0 in Worcester, and that's going to be a factor as well as we go forward. Just to give you a little idea of the wind chill over the next 7 or 12 hours here in Boston, look, it goes below 0, and then it goes well below 0, and we do have wind chill warnings that include Boston for overnight tonight and early tomorrow, where Boston could have a wind chill, Boston, of 30 below 0 early tomorrow morning. Got to keep that in mind.
How rare is that, Harv, to get it
pretty
from Boston to do that?
I don't quite remember that. So that is
really?
Wind chills that low. Yeah, that's pretty low.
Right.